Cardiff University are delighted to be one of 5 flagship projects for Being Human. We are celebrating the Festival of the Humanities and really looking at research in arts and humanity areas to engage the public in different and creative ways.
So the theme this year is connecting with research interests around place, around Cynefin, around home. And at Cardiff University we've got all sorts of researchers doing really creative and inspiring work which is thinking about those themes, and so it's great to see those being a part of the festival.
We're at the amazing Creu Heritage Centre here in the heart of Creu in Ely, and the reason we're here is just behind us here is an enormous hill, and that hill in the Iron Age was where the original Cardiff was. And what our project's always been about is about how can we use the incredible heritage here to really help the communities in the present and to do really meaningful community development work.
We are creating a sense of Cynefin, a sense of belonging.
It's about bringing the university into the community because Cardiff University is a part of these communities. Within that, we've got scholarships embedded at Cardiff University because not that many local kids come into university, so we're trying to break down those barriers.
I'm making clay pots, which represents the finds from the Hill Fort and the Roundhouse in Trelai Park. Well, I think they'll get some sort of sense of connecting with history and how people would have done things centuries ago.
And trying the old-fashioned food was quite different, so yeah, I loved every ounce of coming here.
So we're at Cardiff West Community High School today, and we're at an event which is all about making history in Cardiff. It's a Discovery Day. As you can probably hear, there's a lot going on. We've got murder mysteries, we've got people doing games, all sorts, finding out about their locality and about the brilliant research that's going on at the university.
What I like seeing is the children engaged. I'm seeing that today. They always love getting hands-on. It's education by stealth, and it's a good way of engaging children.
It's great that Cardiff University and its partners could get involved in bringing some of the information about local history to life for local residents and people in the area.
We're advertising the breadth of the research and the work that goes on in the School of History, Archaeology and Religion at the university. This sort of festival and these activities are really good of bringing a sense of belonging and bringing a sense of community about to the area, you know. It's our history, you know, it's where we come from, so it's really nice to be able to showcase that.
The kids enjoyed it, they had fun. I enjoyed it, I had fun. To see this connection with the community carry on would be really good.
It's been a real success.
Yeah, it was fab. It was really good.
I think they did a really good job.